Hi class, this is a video on how to write the noble gas electron configurations for the atoms. The elements. Now here is a copy of the electron configurations that you have done in class, all the way to 118. Now what I'm going to do before I start this process is highlight the element that represents a noble gas. So I've highlighted helium, neon, and I'm going to use different colors: argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. And then what I'm going to do is, in every element that comes after helium, I'm going to highlight helium's electron configuration in that particular element's electron configuration. So helium is 1s2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to lithium here and highlight 1s2. And I'm going to use the same color. Take a minute. Now I am going to highlight the 1s2 all the way up to the next noble gas, in this case, which is neon. Okay, so what I've done is I've highlighted helium's 1s2 in every element preceding helium. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute helium in for this particular electron configuration. So I'll just write a bracket. Then I'm going to write 2s1. So everywhere I've highlighted in yellow, I'm going to substitute helium in for that. So the next one would be helium 2s2. And so forth. Now that, when I'm done with that section here, from here to here, it will look like this. There would be the electron or noble gas electron configuration for those particular elements. Now let us go back to our electron configurations. Let's go on to neon. Now neon has an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So everywhere I see that in elements that come after neon, I'm going to highlight that electron configuration. So I need to come up here and change my color. And everywhere I see that, I'm going to highlight it in green. What this enables me to do is write the electron configuration out in an abbreviated form. Because when we get to the latter elements, the electron configuration can be quite long. So let me finish this. Now I've highlighted neon in every element that comes after neon, all the way up to the next noble gas, which is argon, and I'm going to rewrite these particular electron configurations by substituting neon in for that bracket, for that particular electron configuration. Now I'm going to have 3s1. Go on to magnesium. That will be 3s2. Now these particular elements would look like this. Here's neon all the way down to argon. Now I'd like for you to proceed through the entire electron configurations and write the noble gases for each one, all the way up to 118. And just to give you an idea of what that is going to look like, we can go on here. Here is argon that has been substituted in. Here. Krypton now, right here, has been substituted in to these. Xenon, right here, has now been substituted in to these. And then finally radon. I hope this video has been helpful to you in regard to writing noble gas electron configurations.